To break it down, so between subgraphs and mirror, so at a very high level, essentially subgraphs, that's like pulling the data where you get this GraphQL API of your contracts, right? Which is great for like front ends or explorers or dashboards. If you just kind of want to have this structured data for, really fast way for pulling that information, then that's what a subgraph would be used for, where it's essentially, pick the contract, pick what you want to understand, and you pull that. Now, mirror is a similar kind of way where you're looking on chain and it's more structured and you index it. But what's very cool about that is there are these data streams where essentially you're not just pulling the data, but you're actually putting it into a database. So whether that's Postgres, AWS, ClickHouse, any kind of database that we support, essentially you're taking that on-chain data and you're streaming it, whether it's decoded logs or state differences or any kind of transaction information. It's real-time data that's being just put into your database. When this is really ideal for, if you want to have analytics where real-time data is really important, maybe there's like a leaderboard or you're just trying to track on-chain activity. Or another use case is, let's say you're building a dApp and your front end or even the back end requires real-time ingestion of data. So, you want it to be accurate, you want it to be fast. So this way you can have that real-time data streaming, whatever network you choose, whatever, type of contract you want to look at. So really the biggest difference between subgraphs and mirror is subgraphs, you're essentially pulling that data and querying. And then with mirror, you're similarly doing that, but you're putting it into a database so that it can be stored there. And there's multiple use cases that, benefit from both of them.